So students, here we shall study about some major crops. The first major crops, that is staple food crop of majority of people in India, is rice. It is sown in Kharif season and it requires humidity and rainfall above 100 centimeter. As you know that it is grown mostly in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal plains, and due to the canal irrigation it has been possible for other states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan also. The second crop is wheat. It is the second most important cereal, and you know that it in north and northwestern part of country it has been sown, and approximately 34% of wheat is sown in Uttar Pradesh. It requires 50 to 70 centimeter of annual rainfall, and it is grown in Ganga, Satluj plains, northwest and black soil region. Major wheat producing areas are states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of UP also. Millets, जिसे मोटा अनाज बोलते हैं, millets, ज्वार, बाजरा, ragi, these are important. Jowar is mainly grown in Karnataka, AP, MP. Bajra, it is grown in black soil and it is grown in Rajasthan, UP, Maharashtra. Ragi, it is a dry region. It is grown in dry region, red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soil, and it is grown in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Jharkhand. Maize. It is used for both food and fodder. It requires 21 degrees centigrade and 27 degrees Celsius temperature, and HYV seeds, alluvial soils, fertilizer, irrigation has contributed to increase in production. It is produced in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and MP. Now next are pulses. Pulses is very important because they provide us protein, and India is the largest producer as well as consumer also of the pulses. Major pulse growing areas are MP, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka, and major pulses grown are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Next is sugarcane. Sugarcane, India is second largest producer after Brazil. It requires 27 degrees centigrade temperature and annual rainfall between 75 to 100. You know that it provide us sugar, gur, khansari and other things. It is grown in UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Next is oil seed, which provides us oil. You know, oils is very important for our life. India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world, and in this they include groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soya bean, uh, custard seed, cotton, and so many. So they are used for eating as well as some other production activities also. Tea. Tea is important beverage crops and it has been introduced by Britishers in India. It requires sowers, and it is evenly distributed, and it requires labor, abundant labor. Major tea producing states are Assam, Darjeeling, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Now coffee. Coffee, India produces approximately 4% of the world's coffee, and Arabica coffee is found out in our country. It is mainly grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. You will have to remember this because sometimes these questions are being asked. Horticulture. In horticulture we have studied about some we will study about some vegetables and flowers. So fruit and flower vegetable. So mangoes, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, UP and West Bengal. Oranges, Nagpur. Cherrapunji, bananas, Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Lychee, guava, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Pineapple, Meghalaya. Grapes, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Apples, pears, uh, apricots and walnuts, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. India produced About 13% of world's vegetable, pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and potato also. Now rubber, it is non-food crop. It is an equatorial crop grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires humid climate and with rainfall more than 200 centimeter and temperature above 24 degrees centigrade. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Hills, Meghalaya, Garo Hills also. India is the fifth largest producer of world's natural rubber. Fiber crops, cotton, jute, hemp, natural silk. It is obtained from cocoon, silkworm, and cotton. It is India is the third largest producer of cotton in the world. Used to make cotton textile requires black soil, light temperature, light irrigation, rainfall, 210 days of bright sunshine, and 6 to 8 months of mature. It is mainly grown in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. Some other is jute. It is also very important. It is known as golden fiber. It is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Meghalaya. These are major producing areas, and we make by the use jute are gunny bag, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets, and other artifacts also. So there are some reforms which has been done by our country. The first in collectivization. In this collectivization, government has collected all the lands and because lands of the farmers were at different places. That's why they had problem in doing agricultural work. So they had launched this collectivization program, then consolidation of holdings. The holdings were given to some people, and the holding which has been held by some prominent people has been taken away and given to actual tillers. And cooperation and abolition of jamidari. Government has provided cooperation and abolished jamidari system. Here in Jamidari system, Jamidars used to take revenue from peasants, but now it has been stopped. Other reforms are agriculture, grain revolution and white revolution. Grain revolution, as you know, has uh, contributed a lot in India's production activity, because after green revolution we have seen that the production of wheat and rice has been increased a lot. The second is white revolution. It aims on the production of milk, and with this we have achieved a lot. Now institutional reform. Government has done some institutional reform. For that it has provided crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire and disease. Because before this, when farmers used to take loan, and due to the natural calamity their uh, crops get failure, so they commit suicide. For that, government has provided so many insurances, and they have established Grameen banks and cooperative societies so that the farmers could get easily loans easily. Now banks for providing loans facilities to the farmer at lower rates of इंटरेस्ट. तो आगे बैंक है तो क्या करते हैं, बैंक भी हैं जो लोन फैसिलिटी देते हैं लोअर रेट में, बैंक्स जो हैं दे रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वेरी गुड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सम अदर प्रोग्राम्स एज लाइक KCC, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड, एंड पर्सनल इंश्योरेंस एक्सीडेंट स्कीम, स्पेशल वेदर बुलेटिन. मीन्स some programs as like KCC provides some easy loans and personal insurance for the farmers, and some knowledge-based program has been launched as like special weather bulletin, and agricultural programs has been introduced. As you know about Kisan channels are there, which gives knowledge to the farmers for their agricultural work, and announcement of minimum support price, that is MSP. It is also been launched by the government, and one more thing has been done recently, that is Kisan Bill. Now we shall study map work.